Hey, howdy, hi, how's it going? Good morning. Guess what? I'm getting a shower today, guys. I'm not getting a shower, let's be honest. I'm getting a bath. It's going to be so luxurious. Honestly, I don't even know if you're going to be able to handle how luxurious it's going to be. Like, oh my gosh. Honestly, I am so excited because it's going to be amazing. It's going to be the best bath I've ever had in my life because, like, look at this. Look at this. This is just great. It's great. So I'm taking a bath today. You may have heard. Haven't taken a bath in a very long time. You want to see what my bath situation is going to look like? This right here. This is my bath. This is how glorious it's going to be. I think it's my water delivery. Oh, it's water! Yes! You guys, that's the water right there. This is about to get a bath! Oh, yeah! Fill her up! Look at this. Look at this team effort. You gonna go in? You gonna go in with me? Yeah. She gonna dive in with me. Head first into the bucket.
I'm gonna jump right in.
We gonna jump right in. Gonna be nice and cold.
What is that purple?
So, I want to know what people think about my current situation. First, we turn to Michaela.
I think you nasty.
Michaela, how do you really feel?
I think you're disgusting.
Do you really?
I think you've turned moldy.
How does...
What the hell is on your elbow,
How
actually?
does
what is living on your elbow?
this make you feel? That's a scab. Thank you.
Ew.
How do these elbows?
Me, personally, feel clean.
Does it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Like me, I feel good about myself.
Oh, good, great.
You currently
Perfect.
have like 6 flies living on your arm.
Yeah, you know, I've become one with the abundance of flies. And now we turn to Kenny. Kenny, how does my level of filth really make you feel? Be honest.
You really want me to be honest?
We want you to be honest.
Pressure's on.
Say it, Kenny. Say it loud, say it proud.
It's so bad.
Oh, it's so bad.
It's so bad.
Look at the elbow and say it.
I can't. I can't. Oh.
Hold on, just for the people so you see what he's seeing.
No, I'm not seeing it.
This is what he's seeing.
I won't look.
This is what he's seeing.
No.
How does this make you feel? How does the neck make you feel?
No, the neck is gross. It looks like you're wearing fake jewelry, but it's really just the dirt.
This
from
is the
running
neck.
48,000 miles and sweating, and the filth is just grow. You have growth. You have organisms growing on your neck.
Am I a walking bacteria?
Yes, like that bath water. You can't. It's not. It's toxic. You need
We're going to turn to my new friend, literally known me less than a week, and met me in this current condition, and offered to bring me 35 gallons of water. I think it's because he's that nice and I smell that bad, so that's what we're going to go with. But now we're going to ask him how he feels about the level of filth. So Dax,
Really new friends.
We're really new friends.
And Sloan, like, I'm really excited for you. And,
I feel it.
You know, I feel like I will be know a whole new person after this bath, honestly.
So how does this elbow make you feel?
You know,
elbow way.
Honestly speaking, it's a little concerning.
It's a little concerning.
You know, there's so many different layers on there, but you know, the coloring is really great.
You know,
It
how
really
does the scaly snakeskin make you feel?
You know, we got.
This is what he's looking at.
You know, my mom gave me this really great lotion. You can have it.
Decided that for this bath it was going to be luxurious and romantic. Did I know I was going to have an audience? Yeah. Did I really think about it when it was happening? No. But here we go. I'm going to have an audience. So right now I'm going to put some flowers in my bathtub so that way it's super pretty, sexy, and romantic.
start with figuring out how dirty I am. Let's start with behind the ears of the level of dirt back there. You want to
Put your chin up a little? Got a little bit of a double chin. We don't want that. Ew, Sloan. Nasty. Can I go in your ear?
Do I look so sexy?
I'm gonna go in your ear.
Can we get my legs? Do you want to get the legs? Look at the leg hair. Look at the flies.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at those mother truckers. Got a close up there.
Woo!
Is that dirt or is that Sloan's dough? Is that a rock or is that Sloan's dough?
Remains to be determined.
Wait, you have an actual something growing. Could you come over here?
It's called bacteria. It's growing.
Oh, Sloan. Okay.
Okay, cool. Hi. All right, I'm ready to dive in this bath now. Look at how cute, romantic, and sexy it looks. Woo! Right here at my home sweet home. It's creepy, crawly, nasty. Does she get in? You guys, it's cold water. It's a little chilly. It's a little chilly. It's a little chilly. I got one leg in. Yep. This feels so good. It's my first time being in water in 80 plus days. You're right. 84 days, everybody. It has been 84 days since I have showered. That is disgusting. That is so disgusting. Who does that? Oh my gosh, this water is so cold, but it also feels so good right now. The sun is beating on me. Oh my God, it's so cold, but it feels so good. I am in a bathtub in the wilderness. Woo! Holy Toledo! My feet feel so nice, you guys. This feels delightful. Luxury! Oh my gosh. You guys, look. Oh my gosh, I have skin again. Hi, that's all my dead skin. I hope you see this.
That's literally foul.
This is so great. Thank you, Dr. Bronners, for this bath.
Thank you, Dr. B.
Thank you, Dr. B. Look at that dirt, and look at how clean that arm is. It's like a normal arm again. Oh my gosh. So now let's do this. Oh my gosh. Yes, get that dirt off. It's nasty. Oh yeah, about the time. Scrub it up, dub, dub. So bubbly, so bubbly.
Stop.
Ooh, look at that. That's just one little section.
Did I get the back clean? Let's see. No, your back is still black.
Is it?
Okay, there you go. That's just not coming off.
Is it staying forever?
You have a tattoo. I feel like I need to help you. I don't feel like this is clean.
Can't get it off.
Real friends.
This is a real friendship here.
Yeah, what?
I feel like
I am currently bathing Sloan.
like my skin is raw. Jesus.
I feel like I'm getting a disease in my hangnail, so like, could you take that?
I am shivering. This wasn't a jacuzzi tub. It is simply cold water. And the sun is setting. And I want to watch sunset with my kombucha and feel clean for a couple minutes. And look at my skin.
Oh my gosh, it's almost the same color as mine now.
Woo! What? Look at that. There's a little bit of
Man, you're
soap
so
still on
cold.
there, but you know, I got clean hair.
Oh, look at that.
Do I have a neck again?
It's like a new
Oh,
girl.
wow, I forgot you don't have a dirty neck.
Look at that.
Do I look
Weird.
clean? How are my elbows?
Ew.
Yeah. Okay.
You look good.
Wow, guys.
That's a speck.
Ooh, you're human.
Yeah. Wow, I'm so shocked.
Okay, I'm gonna get out of my bathtub. Clean shaved legs. Woo! I am so clean, you guys. Feel really clean. But let's see what this bath looks like now. So that's the water. There's kind of this like ring of filth around it there, you see? Michaela, how do you feel now that I'm clean?
I feel dirty now.
Oh, how the tables have turned! Kenny, how do you feel now that I'm clean?
I mean, I thought I was clean, but now I'm not.
You're not as squeaky clean as
No,
me.
Next to you, I think.
Next to me, you look dirty. And now the dirt has really started to emerge. Look at that. That's beautiful. All the dirt that just came off of me in there. But guys, it feels so good to be bathed. It feels amazing. But you know what's even better? I gotta say thank you to the whole team that made it possible. Thank you to Kenny and Michaela for being insane moral support while I was stanky and still being my friend for the past few weeks while I smelled really bad. And thank you for being the best photographers and taking such incredible photos of something that was truly unbelievably magic and needed to happen. Thank you to Dax for bringing me 40 gallons of water and taking insane drone footage and being a positive influence in taking the bath. The magic of the team, guys. I've met such incredible humans that helped me do something that I imagined that I really wanted to do and put it all into action. So I feel so blessed that it was timing and everything just worked out, and I'm truly over the moon. I woke up this morning with such a grateful heart, so happy. So here we go. It's time to go get sweaty. Bye.